I'm sat here with Jacob watching Peppa Pig. I can't believe how much of a brat she is. She calls her daddy fat. She's stroppy. And I know that's what like a normal 4-year-old would do, but she annoys me. My mum makes Jacob way too comfy. Look at him. Snuggled up with a pillow and his apple that he stole from Nonna. Watching Peppa. This is what mornings are made of, huh baby? I seem to have a pile of toys that keep running out of batteries. And how do you... I mean, I know they're supposed to be safe. But how... It says you can use a coin to open it, and he's also got a Mickey Mouse car and his hero. Now the hero, that's what he calls it. It's a Peppa Pig phone. Let's see. It works. It wasn't working. Maybe that can be given back to him. But he's got his car that I need to replace battery. Why is everything run out of batteries all at the same time? The Mickey Mouse thing is really creepy. It's like, I'll see if I can get a clip of it. Jacob, show me your car. What's this? Show me your car. Oh, can you hear that? Yeah, it sounds funny, doesn't it? There is one thing that was so creepy when it was running out of batteries, and it's this beep-bo thing. This was super creepy. It sings to you and you play different tunes and things, but when it was running out of batteries, it sounded demonic, and it was going really slowly and like moving its head really slow. It was so creepy. Hey! Jacob just had a meltdown because I didn't brush his teeth for the 3rd time this morning. Are you tickling? Go tickle, tickle, tickle. Can you see tickle, tickle, tickle? Oh, ow. Oh, thank you. Come to pick up Auntie Kate. We're going to go to soft play. You want to go to soft play? Jacob. He's back there eating an apple. See if we can see him. Hey. Do you want to go to soft play? Yeah? Just waiting for Auntie Kate to come out.
Happy.
Happy? Oh, are we going to see Archie? Yeah. Yeah? Say Archie. Jacob, say Archie. Hello. He's too busy eating his apple. Just me today. Oh, Jacob was saying Archie, and Auntie Kate's teasing him. Do you want your best friend? It's just me and you. No Archie. Do you want Archie? Oh, he's lost for words.
I know.
Oh. Shall I go get him? Yeah, okay. Oh. They love each other so much, those two. Archie and Jacob. Oh, so cute. I hope they're best friends forever. Jacob, do you want Archie? Who is it? Who is it, Jacob?
Archie's jumping.
Hi, baby.
Is that Jacob?
When he saw Archie, he was like, oh. Apple. I don't understand how it can be so hot yesterday and it's raining. It's raining now. Lovely. Jacob, you enjoying your lunch? He's ate the rest of it. It's so cold and windy. We went into soft play. I don't even know if you can hear me because of the wind. We went into soft play and it was packed, so we had lunch and legged it. Plus my child is being a 2-year-old. Not that he's 2 at all. Twos come early. Terrible twos come early. But I think he's tired. I'll give him credit. He's probably knackered. Are you cozy? I gave Jacob my hoodie as a blanket because I forgot one. It's been so sunny. And Archie, you got your teddy. Hi, sweetie. Don't they look cute? We decided to just play in the playroom and make a soft play. Hello. A soft play in the house. Archie. Your own personal play area. Soft play, kind of. This is like a revelation for Archie though, because he hates ball pits. Not that you'd not that you'd know now. Hello. What's the matter? Do you want to cuddle? Oh, good morning. Good morning. Oh, big yawn. Did you have a good sleep? Oh. Did you sleep okay? Yeah? Yeah? Oh. My fragile little puppet after a nap. Are you still sleeping? Oh, you going night? Are you pretending? Are you pretending? So we're going out in the car and Kane's decided that she wants to put fake nails on while I'm driving. I'm still on the driveway at the minute.
They cost £1 as well.
So I think there's gonna be loads of
I want to be a girl.
neon pink nails stuck around my car by the end of this journey. She did really well.
They're a bit wonky.
But that's when I was driving. You did really well. My little shark baby playing in the rain. It's almost time to make dinner now. He's done. Bore him out. Are you sleeping? Are you tired? No interest whatsoever because Pepper's on. I do get really stuck on what to make Jacob for dinner. Most of the time he has what we have, but if I say have mashed potato or anything with potato really, he won't eat it. So no shepherd's pie or chips or mashed potato or anything. And he doesn't like meat as such either, so he won't eat chicken or bacon and chicken, anything like that. So I do get quite stuck sometimes, and I'm not the best cook. I do try my best, but I'm not the best. Tonight we're having spaghetti bolognese. Are you excited for spaghetti bolognese?
Yeah.
Yeah. But Jack's the same too, his dad. He only eats pasta, plain pasta, maybe with cheese on, but mostly plain. And some sort of something to go with it, so nothing exciting there. I mostly make 3 separate meals each night, and it drives me insane. But spaghetti bolognese is a winner, except Jack has it with no tomato sauce on, just mince and spaghetti, which is beyond crazy. Hey, sweetie. Have you had a good day? Yeah. Thank you very much for watching our video. I hope to see you again too. Subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you later. Bye!